Quick question. If I could hand you a cash offer for your house in Warner Robins or anywhere in the Middle Georgia area, you don't have to clean it, you don't have to fix it, and you don't have to have 100 people walking through invading your privacy, would you entertain that number? Because a lot of Middle Georgia homeowners are saying, I don't want to worry about all the hype and the circus. I just want to sell my house and be done. I'm Chris, your real estate problem solver. I'm a local We Buy Houses company and a Middle Georgia real estate agent. So with me, you don't get just one option, you get multiple, whichever way you decide you want to go. So if you're in Kathleen, Bonaire, Perry, Hawkinsville, or even Warner Robins, and you've got a house that you really need to get sold, whether the house needs repairs and you can't afford to fix it up, whether you're a tired landlord and you've got rental properties that you just don't want to deal with anymore. Maybe you've got high mortgage payments that you can't afford and you need a smaller house or a more affordable house. Or maybe you're processing a probate with an inherited house and you need to sell that house to settle the estate. Or you just don't want to deal with the hype of listing your house on the open market. Here's what I can do for you. You can call me direct or you can click the link below to book an appointment. We'll come in, we'll sit down, we'll ask a few simple questions, we'll do a walkthrough of the house and do a quick inspection, and then we'll sit down and come up with the different options that best work for you. If you like the cash offer, we'll write up the contract, we'll go to a local real estate attorney and we'll have a closing. You'll get your cash and we'll get the house. If we don't come together on a cash offer, then we also have the option of listing the house at a price that will get the house sold and get you to your next chapter in your life. And you'll have your house sold without having to clean it, without having to do any repairs, and without any hassle. All you've got to do is say yes and pack your stuff up and get ready to go. And since I'm local to the Middle Georgia area, you don't have to worry about whether or not you're dealing with a legit person. Because I'm going to come to your house, I'm going to shake your hand, and I'm going to show you all the credentials that shows you that I'm a legit house buyer. You may be worried that this is going to be a lowball offer. What we do is we make an offer based on the current condition of the house. And yes, it will be less than a retail offer, but what you're paying for is simplicity and the speed of the sale. Do you have to accept the offer? Of course not. We're just having a conversation and seeing what options you like. And how fast can this happen? Well, we can buy the house usually within about 10 to 14 days. In some extreme cases, we've bought houses as fast as 2 days, depending on the severity of the situation. So if you're thinking about selling your house in Kathleen, Bonaire, Warner Robins, Perry, or even Hawkinsville, reach out to me. My information is in the description below. Like I said, you can call me or you can click to book an appointment and we'll sit down and come up with an option that you like. And yes, we answer our own phones, so give us a call and we'll be here and we'll hash out a plan that works for you.